Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have SZA here with a song called Saturn. It's a very, very easy song to handle, guys. So we'll have only two different chords here and two simple chords if you use the capo here and place that on the first fret. So let's do that, and we will have with the capo on first the chords C and the D minor. Alright, so very easy. So let's look at the chords now. We have C first, that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And then you will alternate that with the D minor. So that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. Alright, and there are a lot of notes here and there played in the background. It's very blurry like that as it is in the space Saturn. All right, I think you understand. But anyway, we'll look at a very easy strumming pattern that will go on instead of playing a lot of notes. We don't want to handle all that. So this strumming pattern that will work for this one, we're going to illustrate that now with the C. It goes like this. And that replicates the rhythm here of the song. So we're gonna divide this into two different parts. We don't have to, but it's just because it's that long. So it's easier to learn and teach that with two different halves, so to speak. So we'll start with the first half. It will be down, down, up, down, down, up. Like this. That's the first half of it. So, down, down, up, down, down, up. Again. So, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then comes the second half, which will be up, down, down. Down, down. And that's it. So if you combine these two parts, it will be down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. And you're gonna play one of those per chord. So C, 1 and D minor 1, and you go back and forth like that. So that will be Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the song called Saturn here. So I hope you enjoyed this, and feel free to support me here on Gordon Guitar. Show me some love back, and yeah, hope to see you here very soon again. So next time, play tuned.